Hello, friends. Your journey starts here. Destiny. Destinations.
Have you ever stood in a place where the earth itself seems to tell a story? This is Turkey, a land of ancient winds, carved stone, and sea whispers, where nature has painted a masterpiece. Mountains touch the clouds, coastlines shimmer with impossible blues, and every landscape stirs the soul. Here, migration isn't just for animals. It's a journey through ever-changing scenery. One moment, you're in a valley of surreal rock formations. The next, on a sun-drenched beach, where turtles nest. Turkey is a bridge between continents and worlds of nature, inviting us to slow down and listen to the planet's ancient rhythms. Beyond the cities, wild horses roam, lakes mirror the sky, and forests feel untouched by time. This is a land for explorers who seek not just to see, but to feel. Every sunrise brings new colors, every sunset, a moment of reflection. Let us begin our journey across coasts, peaks, fairy tale valleys, and ancient forests. Turkey is a vast stage where nature performs its most spectacular show. It's a reminder of our planet's incredible diversity. Join me as we explore the hidden corners of this extraordinary land. Turkey's unique character begins with its geography, a crossroads between Europe and Asia. This position shapes its history and its astonishing variety of life and landscapes. Here, the flora and fauna of 3 continents mingle, creating a tapestry of ecosystems. Turkey experiences several climates: gentle Mediterranean coasts, hot and dry Anatolian plateau, and the lush, rainy Black Sea region. Each region has its own personality: pine-clad hills and turquoise waters in the south, golden fields and salt lakes in the center, rugged mountains in the east, and green hills in the north. To travel through Turkey is to journey through different worlds in a single day. Swim in the Mediterranean in the morning, see snow-capped peaks by evening. This variety makes Turkey a miniature continent. The land is always changing, offering new sights and experiences at every turn. It's a living map of nature's power to create beauty. This geographical richness is the foundation for all the wonders we'll explore. Turkey's landscapes are as diverse as its history. Let's discover how this land connects worlds. In the heart of Turkey lies Cappadocia, a landscape born from fire, sculpted by wind and water. Ancient volcanoes covered the land in soft tuff, which rain and wind shaped into surreal stone pillars, the fairy chimneys. Walking here feels like stepping into a dream, surrounded by stone spires and mushroom-shaped towers. For centuries, people carved homes, churches, and even cities into this soft rock, creating a hidden world underground. These cave dwellings offered shelter and safety, blending human ingenuity with nature's artistry. The true magic of Cappadocia is best seen from above. At sunrise, dozens of hot air balloons float over the valleys, revealing the scale and wonder of this landscape. The view is breathtaking. Fairy chimneys bathed in golden light, valleys stretching to the horizon. From the sky, you see patterns of erosion, hidden villages, and the silent beauty of this ancient land. The only sound is the gentle whoosh of the balloon's burner. Cappadocia is where nature and history combine to create something truly unique. It's a gentle adventure, a moment of pure wonder. Here, you connect with the ancient story of the earth. This is a place that stays with you forever. Cappadocia is Turkey's dreamscape. Let's travel south to the turquoise coast, where mountains meet the sea in a spectacular embrace. Pine-covered slopes plunge into dazzling blue waters, giving the coast its name. Hidden coves and secluded beaches, many only accessible by boat, preserve the coast's pristine beauty. Imagine sailing into a quiet bay, anchoring at a perfect, empty beach. This is the Blue Cruise, swimming in crystal waters, sunbathing on a wooden boat, and disconnecting from the world. The Blue Lagoon at Ölüdeniz is a highlight, a sheltered, impossibly blue haven and protected nature reserve. But history is everywhere. Ancient ruins and Lycian tombs line the shore, sometimes right at the water's edge. You can swim over sunken cities or explore amphitheaters before snorkeling in a cove. The coast blends nature and history in a magical way. time slows down here. You can watch fishing boats from a seaside cafe and feel the deep connection between land and sea. The turquoise coast is more than a destination. It's an experience. It's a journey into breathtaking beauty and ancient echoes. Here, every moment is a memory. Beyond the coast, Turkey's mountains reveal a wild, dramatic landscape. Mount Ararat, the country's highest peak, stands as a snow-capped giant in the east. The Caucasus Mountains in the northeast offer sharp peaks, deep valleys and glacial lakes, a paradise for hikers. Trails wind through wildflower meadows and stone villages, with shepherds guiding flocks as they have for centuries. The air is crisp, the silence broken only by wind and eagles. These mountains are a playground for adventure, climbing, canyoning and paragliding above turquoise lagoons. In winter, resorts like Uludağ and Erciyes offer skiing and snowboarding on powdery slopes. The scenery is spectacular year-round. Whether trekking, flying, or simply walking, Turkey's mountains are a reminder of nature's untamed power. They offer freedom, challenge, and unforgettable views. The high peaks call to every adventurer. Journey north to the Black Sea region, a land of perpetual green. Moisture from the sea creates a mild, rainy climate, resulting in lush forests and vibrant tea plantations. Wooden villages dot the hillsides, life moving to the rhythm of seasons and agriculture. Traditional houses cling to slopes, surrounded by hazelnut groves and misty air. The winding coastal road offers one of Turkey's great journeys, sea on one side, green mountains on the other. High in the mountains are the yaylas, summer pastures, and peaceful retreats. Uzungol, a stunning lake in a deep valley, is a picture of tranquility. The forests are home to wildlife, roe deer, wild boar, even brown bears. Birds' song fills the air. The forests are the region's lungs. Walking under ancient trees, you feel a deep connection to nature. The Black Sea region is Turkey's gentler, greener side. It's a place of quiet beauty and enduring traditions. Here, nature and culture thrive together. In Turkey's quiet corners, life is lived in close harmony with nature. Shepherds and farmers follow ancient rhythms, moving with the sun and seasons. Turkey is a vital corridor for migrating birds, and its wetlands shelter flamingos, pelicans, and more. On southern coasts, endangered sea turtles return to nest each year. In the east, elusive animals like wolves and leopards roam wild mountains. Rural life here is authentic. Honey from wildflowers, cheese from pasture-fed sheep, carpets inspired by nature. It's a powerful reminder that coexistence with the natural world is possible. Amidst adventure and grand landscapes, Turkey offers moments of profound peace. Watching the sunset, on a beach, mountaintop, or village balcony, is a daily ritual of reflection. The sky becomes a canvas of color, worries melt away with a glass of Turkish tea. Hospitality and slowing down are at the heart of Turkish life. Tranquility is found in quiet courtyards, remote villages, and still lakes at dawn. After a day of exploring, there's always a peaceful corner to recharge. Turkey balances adventure with serenity. It's a place to be present, to find stillness in a busy world. These golden moments are as wondrous as the landscapes themselves. Our journey through Turkey reveals a land of incredible diversity. From fairy chimneys to turquoise coasts, high mountains to green valleys, Turkey excites and soothes in equal measure. Where else can you explore sunken cities in the morning and ski in the afternoon? This is a land of contrasts and constant discovery. Turkey is more than a destination. It's an invitation to explore, wonder, and connect with nature. The landscapes tell a story millions of years old. To visit is to become part of that story, if only for a while. The journey never truly ends. New adventures always await.
Until we meet again, stay inspired. With Destiny Destinations, you'll